Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. Today we will be making stir-fry seafood vermicelli or rice noodle. So let's see what we have today. We have some nice Japanese scallops, beautiful black tiger shrimp, and we have one boiled egg. We'll add this to the stir-fry later. One scallion or spring onion. We have one red onion. We have a few garlic cloves, one carrot. So this will add some crunch and color to the whole dish. And some greens of your choice. So I've selected some sort of a Shanghai green vegetable at your local grocery store. But you can use almost anything of your choice. And then we will also go through the ingredients that we will be using. We have some salt, some sesame oil, some light soy sauce for flavoring, some dark soy sauce. This will add some nice coloring to the whole dish. Some grounded white pepper. And of course, we'll add some black pepper, freshly grounded, as we cook. So later on, you will see. So let's start. Let's start by cutting our spring onion. So for this one, it doesn't need to be in any specific length. I like to keep them just about 1 inch in length. Then we have some onions. So for the onions, depending on if you like to see it in the dish or not, but I like to cut it up into nice, good sized cubes or big pieces. So then when we cook this dish, we will have a nice crunch to it. Great, that's it for the onions. Then we have the garlic. The garlic is very simple. We will smash these garlic. The garlic will be needed for when we start the wok during stir frying. So the simplest way for this is to smash it. Done. Now that it is smashed, we just give it a quick chop. Alright, that's all. Then we can put this together in our small little bowl. So later on we will use it for starting up the whole dish. Then we have carrot. We just give it some thin cuts lengthwise. Great, our carrot is cut, and the leafy greens. So we just simply split them in smaller chunks so it's manageable. So we split it down the center and give it a cut for the bigger ones. Nice, now we have everything all cut. We put it back in our plate. Great, now that we have our vegetable placed on the plate, the garlic all chopped, our seafood all ready. Now last, we will need some nice vermicelli or rice noodle. Here I have about 3 packs, depending on how many you're feeding. So 3 packs should be good enough for a family of 2 or 3 big eaters or 4 small eaters. So these are already pre-cooked, so you don't have to really cook them too much when you're stir frying them. So now let's go to the cooking and see how this is. So now we're ready to cook everything. I've pre-warmed the wok ahead of time on high so that this is all ready. Now we add some oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil, because you don't want everything to stick. Then we add our garlic. Add our shrimp and scallops. Add the salt. Some fresh grounded black pepper also. We add the vegetable together with the onion and everything. Now we add our noodles to this. Once the noodle is in, you can begin to add the soy sauce and the dark and the light soy sauce, because this will quickly begin to burn and stick. So it's time to mix this all around, get the color into the noodle, and then we're good. Now we add ourselves some liquid, maybe about a cupful, and we cover this up and let it steam for a little while. Great, now let's check on this some more. It is perfect. It is not overly dry, it's just moist and perfect. Let's add our sesame oil and turn off the heat. So you don't want to cook this, heat this sesame oil up, or else it will start to taste bitter. So we add it in right at the end when we're ready to serve. Great. Now this is all done. Let's move to plating and tasting, my most exciting part of this dish. Great, now that we have our dish completed, as you can see, this is a mountain of food. There's a lot here. So let's not waste any more time, let's give this a try. So I got a scallop, a shrimp. Let's try our shrimp. It's nice and crunchy, and the flavor is just balanced. Now let's try some noodle. Well moist, well flavored, just right. Now scallop, my favorite. You can really taste the scallop in this. The freshness of the ingredient is just amazing. Wow. Let's try some more. I got some vegetable here, some carrot. Now let's give this one more try. The carrot is nice and soft, but still maintain its crunch. So is the vegetable. Perfect. I'm gonna enjoy this dinner now. So, thank you. Thanks for watching again. If you like what you see today, please subscribe and let your friends and family know so they can also subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye now.